Okay, here we are again. As you can see, I've installed the door surround. Well, when I say installed, I mean it's held on with some wall grips. I had a few comments online saying that I should install this before proceeding with any more, which I tend to agree with, so I'm going to put it in. It will keep the alignment points there for me, so I'll be able to line up the floor and other things, and also it will add a little bit of strength. And I was looking at possibly on the end of the floor cross member down here, I may be able to tack on a box section from there onto the edge of the doorstep to give it a little bit more strength. So as you can see, it's ready to weld. I'll stick this on the stand and see if I can get it to line up. If not, I'll show it you once I've welded it. Yeah, not too bad. Put a couple of little tacks down here now to hold this back, because obviously this panel here, the rear quarter, has got to come down over the top of that, so I'll probably do that a bit later. Here we go again. Hang on. Right, so there we are. That's welded across there. Probably won't grind it off now. I'll leave it until I'm in the mood for grinding and prepping. And that one's welded across there. I haven't welded that last little bit there because obviously this is where the rear quarter will come down and lap over the top of there, but I will drill some holes here and put a couple of plug welds there just to pull that through. Right, I'll have a look now at maybe putting some brace off the end of that box section and onto the edge of this. I don't know if I will. I'll have a look, see what I got, and I might brace that up just to give it a little bit of rigidity, and then I'll come back to you then in a bit when I decide what I'm going to do next. Okay, right, so what I've done now is I've put a plate or a box section of steel in under here, which has been tacked there, there and there, and down onto this cross member here and here. So now this so now this door pillar is quite rigid, door step rather. I'll get my words right one of these days. Okay, that's all for now. Right, here we are again, and now we're going to cut the wing off. There we are. That didn't take very long. And now you can see the jacking point. I thought you noticed. I renamed this. This is now a jacking point. I don't know. Maybe a shock absorber mounted. Right, I'm going to clean up this inner wing panel a bit now with a wire brush, so you won't need to see that, and then we'll have a look, see if we can see where all the spot welds are. Right, as you can see, I've exposed most of the spot welds, and the hole that we pretty much sure of alongside the shock absorber mount was going to be behind, and indeed it is. But you can see inside it's not too bad at all, so some rust treatment and some paint and wax oil and it'll be okay. But I've picked out, well, I've found most of the spot welds, apart from those down the front, and obviously those on the top of the wing are not worried because they will come off with the wing. So next time I come in now, it'll be start drilling these so that we can take this inner bay off. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you're all keeping well. Any questions, just ask and I'll answer. Other than that, I'll see you again tomorrow or the day after. Thank you. Bye.